Ayun na. Uh, Good evening, ma'am. I'm Ken Brian Pimiti, DIT Mechanical Technology. I will recite the philosophy, vision, mission, and goals. Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle and dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. Vision. A dynamic and diverse internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines 2020 to 2024. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient service along research, extraction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with the aim of reducing highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individual. Goals. Globally competitive educational institution. Resilient to internal and external risk and hazard. Innovative processes and solutions in research translated to extension engagement. Partnerships and collaborations with private enterprise, others, his government agencies, and alumni. Sound fiscal management and participatory governance.